Good morning, everybody. My name is Kip, and you're watching America Bumper to Bumper. Right now, we are on video number 3 of the all Mopar and Jeep car show from Goldstein, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram from Latham, New York. So let's get into it.
Vroom.
So we're going to start this video off with this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT SC. Great orange color on the car. I love the white stripe as well. Sitting next to this Challenger. I guess we're gonna get to that in a minute. Oh, there we are. Nearly identical color, Dodge Ram pickup. Or is this just a Ram? Gosh, I don't know. I'll have to wait to see if I look at the trunk. Sorry, the tailgate. Well, I would say it's still a Dodge. And this blue truck is most certainly a Dodge. This is a 55-window pickup. It's a gorgeous truck in and out. Love all the pinstriping. What an art form the pinstriping is. If you haven't watched somebody do it, find it. It is amazing to watch. Dodge Dart GT convertible. I believe this is a 64. I could be wrong on that. I like the little red accents on this, the interior of this car. Not all red, but just those few little red pieces really make the car pop. A nice Jeep. We got another Dodge pickup. This, believe would be late 60s. Lovely step side and the, of course, wood in the bed. We're looking at a Charger. Yellow jacket according to its license plate, and definitely is a bright yellow. It could work for that. Great looking car. '68 Chrysler New Yorker, and here's a little info on the car, so make sure you pause the video and look at it. It's pretty amazing. Yes, 60s and 70s, car makers knew how to make cars that would go on for miles. And this one looks quite comfy. In 1995 Jeep Cherokee. This is a one-owner car. Definitely has some upgrades to it, but same owner has had this car since new. It's got the 4-liter inline 6 that you couldn't kill. And those things would last forever. Sorry, that's a little out of focus. But Oh, there we go. And now we're looking at a pair of Plymouth Satellites. I believe these are both 65s. So which one do you like better? This light blue or the purple that's going to be right next to it? We'll look at in a second. I can't decide between the two of them. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. You have another Plymouth Satellite. This one is a 69. Very Roadrunner look to it, because Satellite was the body style that the Roadrunners were built off of. And this Willys Jeep truck we have looked at in the spring auto show, so we don't go into that. I will put a link there. And now we're looking at another Jeep Wrangler. Now this one is the Call of Duty edition, as you can see from the sticker there. I don't know what made the Call of Duty edition different than regular, but we'll go with it. 1939 Chrysler Royal. Love the headlight styling on this car. Very, very cool. Again, my guess would be this is either an older restoration or a original car. DeSoto Fire Dome is what we're looking at right now. It has the Fire Dome 8 engine in it. Excuse me. Beautiful interior in this car. $1995 Chrysler LeBaron GTC convertible. This is a low mileage car. Very, very well kept. Now we're looking at a Dodge Dart Demon. I believe this is a 70. Not to be confused with the Demons today, which are Challenger based. I think the Demons today would hand this Dart version a pink slip. Okay, now we're looking at a Dodge Coronet RT. Not 100% sure the year on this one. I'm gonna guess 68, but I'm not sure. Now we're looking at a Charger SRT. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that is a supercharger sitting on the top of that Hemi engine. Nice leather interior in this car. I got a pair of Jeep Grand Cherokees. America. I believe I saw quickly that this is a serviceman's parents' car, so thank you for their service. Love the wrap. Now we're back with another Cornet. This again I think is a 68-ish. And the final car for this video is going to be this Plymouth Roadrunner. This is going to be, I believe it's a 69. Yep, should be a 69. Fantastic looking car. Thank you everyone for watching this third video of the all Mopar and Jeep car show. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new videos are going to be uploaded. Finally, follow us on all of our social media because you'll find some stuff on there you will not find on the YouTube channel. For all that information, it's down in the description. Check it out. Have a day. Hopefully it's a good one.